Welcome to my channel. How to set up Netgear Orbi AX1800 Wi-Fi system. Unbox your Orbi AX1800 Wi-Fi system. Inside you'll find the main Orbi router, a satellite unit, power adapters, and an Ethernet cable. Place the Orbi router close to your internet modem for the first setup. Power off your modem, wait at least 1 minute, and then power it back on to refresh the connection. How to fix Deco AX1500 not connecting with Android phones. Plug in the Orbi router's power adapter and switch it on. Wait until the LED turns solid white and then starts pulsing blue. This means it's ready for setup. Take the Orbi satellite and place it in a central location of your home where it can spread Wi-Fi coverage evenly. Connect the satellite to power and turn it on. The LED will turn blue if the connection is strong, amber if the connection is fair, and magenta if it's not connected. Adjust the position if needed. On your smartphone, download the Netgear Orbi app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app, sign in or create your Netgear account, and follow the on-screen instructions. The app will detect your Orbi devices and complete the setup process. Once setup is done, connect your phone, laptop, smart TV, and other devices to the new Orbi Wi-Fi network for fast and reliable internet throughout your home. Thanks for watching.